This exercise is called the side snatch, so it's essentially the same movement as a normal sagittal plane snatch. The only difference is we're going to be moving more in that frontal plane. So one of the great things about clubs is it is a multi-planar training tool. So basically any movement that you do in that sagittal plane, you can pretty much do in a frontal plane as well. Okay, so we're just going to start off in that order position. So from here, I've got my shoulder down and packed down, elbow tucked into the ribs, wrist is neutral. Okay, I'm going to cast away from the center line. So that means I'm going to shift my weight to my left leg. I'm going to cast my club to my right. Then from there, it's forearm lock, shoulder down and pack down. I'm going to come in that bottom of that lateral swing position now. Okay, and then from there, we're going to drive our hips forward and across into that, back into that center line. So I hip hinge at a 45-degree angle at the bottom position, at the bottom of that swing. And then as I'm coming back across the body, it's a short, sharp drive through the hips to power that club back up. And then from there, I'm going to do a full circle, and then I'm going to catch it, okay, into that, almost that torch position from there. Just try and keep that bicep close to the ear as you can. And then from there, we're going to keep that club as vertical as possible. I like to have my thumb on the back of the club as well, just for a little bit more stability. Okay, so we're going to put that movement together. So we're in that order position. Okay, we're going to shift our weight slightly to that left foot, rotate the thoracic, full cast out, bottom of the swing, and then come up. Okay, and then from there, look straight up at the club. So as I'm bringing that club across the body, I'm really transferring that weight onto the opposite side and then snapping those hips forward to drive that club back up, and then looking up at the club all the way through, and then just bringing that arm as close to the ear as you can, and I'm slightly rotated through the thoracic here as well. Okay, so that's our side snatch.